Hello Aquarians, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020, and we will see what kind of energies are we expecting for Aquarians in this month. This month is going to be a mix of ups and downs, new starts, leaving few things behind and moving ahead in life. Specifically, the last week of the month is going to be an important month for you because it is going to get you into a decision making mode. You are not making a decision, but then you've started thinking about it. So this is how it looks like. Career looks, from a career perspective, this month looks like stable, so you don't have to really think much about that. Okay, other than that, we have a theme of the month card ready with us for your which will describe the entire start of the month for you in the month of December, and the theme which is going to rule the entire month, and you will be surprised the way this card is relating to each and every week of yours in the month of December, Aquarians. But then before we start, as usual, I'm going to share my contact numbers with you so that if in case you want to get your personalized readings done with me, you can email me, WhatsApp me, Telegram me as per your convenience. So reach me on 8448901791, email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, or visit my website for more information about the channel at www.blossomlifetarot.com. Let's get ahead and see how are the energies for you in this month and what exactly are you inviting from universe for yourself. Precious time. Time is precious for you, and looks like time is running from a lot of perspective in your life. So you are short of time, but then you have a lot of work to do in December. Maybe you want to wrap up everything, whatever has happened in this month. There are a lot of things which are happening which you had to close before the year ends. And one important thing which is very advisable for you here is that respect time in the month of December, and please do not neither waste your time nor and don't waste others time also. If you have got an appointment of an interview, please be there on time. If you've invited someone for an interview, please be on time. If you're going on a coffee date also, I will say respect others time. Time is going to be the key for you in the month of December. Respect that timelines needs to be respected. Okay, the very first week of December talks about your energies which are very high in terms of your passion, your aggression towards things. You're very excited in the month of December. December starts with what? Prince of Wands has come in here, a very young, vibrant energy, full of youth, full of energies, full of happiness, and this energy is actually ruling your first week. So you will feel very, very energetic in the month of December, and the month is starting at that note, Aquarians. And also, from a partnership perspective, from a partner relationship, husband, boyfriend, or maybe a romantic relationship perspective, your partner is going to be your support system in the month of December, very first week. Maybe the kind of support you need, you will get it from your partner. So that's a positive one for Aquarians, and it is a good coordination happening between you and your partner. Also, from property perspective, if you want to invest in properties, if you want to buy property, if you want to get into something like a sale and purchase of things, first week of December looks like a good week, and you can initiate things in this month which look very positive for you here. Second week, wherein if we are moving to second week here, second week of December, I will say that the plannings you are doing in first week, maybe it is a property related planning, materialistic planning what you're doing here. Also, more likely this planning is something to do with your finances only. You're very focused on your finances right now, working very hard. You are working very hard, but then people have eye on your money, people have eye on your earning, and then they expect that whatever you earn, you actually spend it on them. You're surrounded with that kind of set of people. But I will say that uh, maybe what you're working towards, the project, the thing what you're working towards is something materialistic for them, but then it is more emotional for you. So you are putting in your heart and soul in something, Aquarians, and you are very, very focused there. Your promotion is going to be dependent on a lot of people's, I will say, feedback. Maybe you are dealing with multiple bosses, you are dealing with multiple people, dotted line reportings here. So your feedback, be careful of how you deal with people in this month, because that is going to impact your relationship and it impact your financial decisions in the month of December. Okay, with the same energies, wherein first week is energy, full of energy, second week is talking about your focus on something, you're planning something new for yourself, you want to push your limits, so there's a new planning stage coming your way. In the same way, the third week is something which is giving you a new start. Now there are two things which are important here for Aquarians. Single Aquarians, looks like that you have fallen in love with someone, but then you don't want to share it with that person, so you are holding back your emotional energies and you have locked your heart in a cupboard, and the keys are only with you. It's only you who that I like this person or I want to be with this person. But then my advice to you is that if you want to share your feelings with this person in the month of December and you are thinking, should I or should I not, then my advice to you is that please go ahead. It is going to be a yes for you. So the person is not going to decline your proposal. You will get most probably a yes from them, and it is a positive direction your relationship will move into in December. So it's a good news for you, isn't it? Second set of people who are like already in a relationship, engaged, married. These people are feeling some new connection with their partner. There is a new side of your partner what you will be exploring in the third week of December, or in the month of December, which you had not seen before. And there you want to be a little conservative in terms of sharing your the appreciation part with your partner, because you don't want to share it with them. And that's something which is which I will say it is up to you, but I will say if you will share your feelings with them, they will feel good about it and they will feel motivated towards you. So that's another thing what I have to share with you here. um, with the third weeks of energy, I see something new also starting in life. So something new in terms of relationship, something new in terms of your emotions is starting. You are experiencing a new feeling in month of December, and that's very unique. Okay, you've not faced it before. You don't want to again share it with people because you're scared that you will invite jealousy, you might invite some kind of negative energies from people. So don't do that. If you're not comfortable, don't share it with anyone. Let the right time come. Okay, now you're reserved in third week with that reserve energy, but then full of positivity. You're moving to fourth week here, and the fourth week, it talks about decision making, confusion between two things. It can be a yes or a no about a situation. It can be a yes or no about one person. It can be a either or kind of scenario, so that this person or that person. So that is also happening. Now the problem with you is that you want to deal with two people at the same time, and that is very disappointing. Okay, and this is why when this one person is making a move out of your life, you are not happy about it because you wanted to keep both. So trust me, sailing in two boats together, it is going to be dangerous for you. You will not be able to reach to the shore at all. Okay, so take your decisions well, think about it what you are doing, think about your actions very well, and that's when you take it ahead. Okay, karma is on your side in the month of December. It's a beautiful card wherein it talks about the positives of your karma going to pay you in the month of December. So it is a beautiful time for you to enjoy and enjoy the good deeds you have done in life. So you will see the result of that in December. Along with that, have some good time for yourself, singing, dancing. Angels are saying just enjoy yourself, relax yourself for some time, because you need this relaxation time right now, and that is going to be an important time of your life, Aquarians. So enjoy your life very well. The summary of this reading is, please respect time and timelines. Whatever dedicated timelines or dedicated slots you've been given by someone or you have given to someone, follow that religiously. Let go of people who are not at all valuable in life now, or who can create problems in your life in the last week. So by end of December, you release that. You're planning something new. Your plans are in the eyes of your superior, so please plan well and perform well there. Financially, this month looks like okay. You can deal into property also in the month of December for few of you. First week is more suitable for that, and third week talks about that overwhelmed emotional time, wherein you are spending too much time about your emotions, spending thinking about emotional aspects, thinking about someone with whom you're emotionally connected with. So this is how the reading looks like. It is a beautiful month. Enjoy it to the most. It is giving you some relaxation period also. Relax well. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, be happy to be happy in yourself and with yourself, and be nice to people around you. That's very important. Okay, goodbye and God bless you.